Options Tender here. We are looking at gold. We have a bonus video for you. I think we are onto something. I believe we have a really good setup on all different time frames, whether it's for your IRA, for your midterm, short term. We're going to start off on multiple time frames and then get down to the nitty gritty on the 65-minute chart so we can see what's happening down low. So again, welcome. Before we get going, please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button. We want to get them algorithms moving so we could spread the word and spread the wealth. And here we go. So GC, this is gold futures. We are trading, I personally trade the GLD ETF, but I like to look on the futures just like I look on ES rather than SPY for most of my charts. So on the monthly here, we have a bull market headed to the upside. This is sort of a cup. We are retesting support. I'll dive in a little bit deeper. MACD is pointing down, but we're right at support here. We closed just underneath the 8 MA for the monthly, but notice this long-term support, the demand that came in here. So we have somewhat of a doji there. Let's go on to the weekly. All right, looking at that weekly chart, you get a better view of the support. Let's look way over here. Back in 2012, 2013, we had resistance here, now support. The MACD is headed to the downside, but remember the zero line acts as support right here. So I'm looking for this to start moving to the side and headed back up for maybe even a divergent, a bear divergence at some point in the future. Maybe it's way out, another year or so. We don't know, but we're on the weekly time trend, so we have a lot of time on that. Let's go down to the daily. Give a good look here. Trend is our friend. We have the pole, or this could be the beginning of the pole here, but this is a flag, a larger bull flag, which is a continuation pattern. But right here, we're connecting with the MACD. The yellow leader line is headed back. We need to actually make the cross, but we just need to move back to the upside there. So I think we're catching in this right at the appropriate time. We had here an A, B, C correction, and what I now believe right at support. So now what I believe, this is a wave 1 down to wave 2. And, this wave 3 is going to be impulsive, guys. This is going to be a nice long wave here. We think, the market can do what it wants, as I always say. But also, whenever you have descending momentum on the MACD, we know we have to base right. So a good base pattern would be this inverse head and shoulder, if you like to look at patterns. But this wave 1, 2 on the Elliott waves, and then a minute wave 1 and 2. So I think that 2 is over. Let's get down to the nitty gritty on the 65-minute chart. And remember, we use the 65-minute candle. So all the candles throughout a trading day are even. So that's why we use the 65-minute. So getting down here, what we did, after we hit that monthly support, we had a wave 1 and down to wave 2, right at our golden ratio at 61.8. It's perfect area, perfect setup for getting into this long-term, medium-term, short-term play, all of the above. It's beautiful. It doesn't get much better than that. This is a buy on Tuesday, because we have President's Day on Monday. So this is a buy for what I think are months to come. I have a duration play on this already started from Friday. If you're not familiar with the duration play, that is a 3-month out play for buying a stock option 3 months out. Okay, so I'll actually pin the card for both in-out spreads, which is midterm conservative play, and I'll pin the duration play both on this video at the end or up above right now. And if you look right here in the 65-minute, we're just picking up on the momentum. We crossed on Friday. We hit the 61.8 on Friday. This is a buy right here, right now. So thanks for joining me here on Options Center. Again, hit that like button, subscribe. We're going to give this information out whenever we can. This is a bonus video, but we do have videos every morning and after the bell for market updates, and then on the weekend for a weekend update. And we give trade ideas every single time. So love it, guys. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for all the support. We'll talk to you soon.